I could not have imagined that high-protein, low-carb pancakes would turn out so delicious. But after trying this pancake recipe, I actually prefer them because they cook up golden and fluffy and they hold their shape. Perfect for a nutritious, high-protein breakfast. To make about 5 to 6 of these high-protein, low-carb pancakes, you will need 6 eggs. Separate the egg yolks from the egg whites and put them in 2 different bowls. Then, use an electric mixer to beat the egg whites first until the whites look bright white and foamy. Keep mixing until they get thicker and start to hold soft peaks, which usually takes a couple of minutes. Then, slowly sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of gelatin while you keep mixing the egg whites. Add it a little at a time so it mixes in smoothly and you do not end up with little clumps. Keep mixing until the egg whites look thick and fluffy. While I am mixing the eggs, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you will not miss my new recipe videos. You will know the egg whites are ready when you can turn the bowl upside down and the egg whites stay put instead of sliding. Next, beat the egg yolks just enough to make them smooth and creamy. Use a bowl that is big enough because we are going to add the egg whites into this same bowl later. Then, add 5 tablespoons of collagen powder to the egg yolks. I have left the link in the description below for the collagen powder I use, so you can grab the same one if you want. Next, mix the egg whites into the egg yolks a little at a time. Start by adding a big spoonful of egg whites and gently folding it in. Then, keep adding more egg whites and folding slowly until it is mostly mixed together, but not too much so it would still look light and fluffy, as you can see here. Next, add some ghee or butter to the frying pan. You want the pan hot enough that the fat looks a bit shimmery, but not so hot that it starts smoking. Then, scoop the batter into the pan, 1 scoop for each pancake. Drop it right into the middle, then use the back of the measuring cup or a spoon to gently nudge it into a circle. Keep the heat on low to medium so the pancakes have time to puff up without burning. If you have a lid, put it on to help them cook through and rise. After about 3 minutes, flip the pancake over and cook another 3 minutes. The first side should look set around the edges, and you should be able to slide a spatula under it without sticking. Flip it gently, then let it finish cooking until the second side feels set and the pancake holds its shape when you lift it. I like to serve these pancakes with a generous dollop of butter on top. Then I sprinkle a little stevia over the pancakes. The stevia keeps it low carb, adds a touch of sweetness, and makes them look really nice. Then I finish with a drizzle of low-carb maple syrup. These low-carb protein pancakes taste surprisingly similar to regular pancakes. And do not worry, they do not taste like an omelet. The texture is soft and fluffy, and once you add butter and syrup, it really feels like a real pancake breakfast. If you liked these low-carb protein pancakes, try my almond flour pancakes next here. They are quick, easy, and healthy, but a little different from these. They are still gluten-free and low-carb. Check it out now!